Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be somewhat of a DIY. This is a package that's been in my house for almost 6 months now. I have been waiting for someone to email me, tell me what it is, ask me about it. Nothing. Zip, zilch, nada. I have no clue what's in this. No one has reached out to me saying, hey, is the video ready? Nothing, okay? I have not one iota of a clue what's in this box, but we're about to find out today because I'm tired of it going back and forth from room to room. So let's get into it and see what it is. Obviously, this is a flat pack of some kind, and it's some type of furniture, but I really don't know what it is. So this is a door. That's the washing machine. Another door. Okay. This looks like it's a drawer. There it is. It's a side cabinet. Surprise! This is what it is. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, this is cool. I can't believe somebody hasn't emailed me about this yet because it's literally been in here since summer and it's now January. That is crazy. Okay. That's all of it. This box looks like it's probably the hardware. And you put this little piece face. Hey. Okay, so we are in my laundry room and this is where I put the cabinet. I thought having it right here beside the washer dryer was going to be fantastic because the door opens this way. Oh, our wash is in there. The door opens this way, and so I'm constantly having to reach over here to this cabinet to like grab things. And anyway, so here, like I can open my door and have everything right here. So I've just put this right here. This is what we use for like lint. Real life. Okay, real life. Here's a drawer. Nothing in here yet. It was pretty easy to put together. I have put my little pods in here. These are just some extra Kleenex in here. And then our extra Tide Pods and the bleach on this side. And then cleaning products, hypochlorous acid. I thought about getting some matching little baskets. This was just one that I had just in a cabinet, not being used. But I thought about getting some like 3 matching ones to put here to like store stuff in. Anyways, here is the cabinet. Follow the instructions and it's pretty easy to put together. And that's it. Bye.